are electric vehicles, EVs, actually green? Uh, I don't believe so. And so, what the first Gematria decode I want to go over is electric vehicles aren't clean or green, but provide a new industry in world market. That's important. The world, Earth in general, throughout history, which I've come to understand, they don't necessarily want to fix any issues. They'll just put a band-aid on over it so they can make more money off it. Because, great example, the crock pot. The crock pot is a really great device. When it first came out, everyone had a crock pot. Now, the CEO, genius, but unfortunately, right now they're going through bankruptcy proceedings right now, and they're losing money, so they have to restructure. I don't think Crockpot's going to go out of business, but they have to restructure their business. And it's crazy enough when you think about this world, Crockpot is losing money because they made too good of a product. The product is way too durable. It's way too good. It's not breaking down on people. So people have crock pots from when it started, the company started like 10 years ago, that still work perfectly. There's no money in that. And that's why they're in bankruptcy proceedings. It's not that crock pot was a bad product. It's a great product. But the CEO on his path making a good product, he forgot how this matrix really works. If it's too good, you lose money because you need to keep people coming back for more. They've tried other products like air fryers and stuff like that, and they might try to keep continuing that. But their base product is too good, not making enough money because everybody already has one. And so that's what to keep in mind when it comes to emerging markets and industries. They just put band-aids on it because when it breaks down, they can sell you another one. And so let's get into some of if it's not actually green or not. Building an EV generates more carbon than building a car powered by an internal combustion engine because the process of extracting, processing, and transporting minerals needed to make the batteries. So when you look holistically as the process for making an EV, is still very pollutive. A lot of the minerals that we mine in China, Australia, South America, very pollutive due to get it out of the ground, and it's not good for the environment. In one example, the Argonne National Laboratory model compared the Tesla Model 3 and a Toyota Corolla purchased and driven in the United States, where coal power makes up nearly a quarter of all electricity generation. In comparison, the Tesla had to travel 13.5 thousand miles before it surpassed the Corolla. That's a year or more of driving for most people. And so to get that green return for the Tesla Model 3 compared to a Toyota Corolla, it took over a year. Now that's just one study. There's other studies that have other differing opinions. But on the same line, there's other countries out there who have greener industries, who have greener markets, who have better setups than the U.S. So the benefits arrive sooner for drivers in a country with greener electrical grid. In Norway, where hydropower is king, the Tesla Model 3 overtakes the Corolla after 8,400 miles. That's in Norway. They're based off hydropower with water, so they're a lot more greener than the U.S. and other nations. So Damien Ernest from the University of Leeds claims that an EV would need to travel between 67,000 and 150,000 kilometers, which is 41,000 to 93,000 miles before the break-even point occurs for that green break-even point. So there's a lot of various views out there, but it's not like you just buy a car, you're instantly green. And American Petroleum Institute's website notes that various types of powertrain configurations emit similar levels of greenhouse gases over their lifetime. So we're really not escaping the environmental issues. They're just giving consumers another thing to buy. And some more gematria. The American electric vehicles market is not as clean or green as the media exclaims it is. 333 English ordinal. You see the powerful uh, decodes here. Another one. The Asian EV market will keep EV industry from being green or clean due to the coal usage. In China, in Asia, over 60% of their electric generation comes from coal, which is over double of what America is. And a lot of people consider 25% being high. And Asia has the biggest increase in EV production. I don't think they're too worried about environmentally friendly electric vehicles. They're just trying to get the money. The Asia EV market is not that green, and electric vehicles aren't clean or green equal 333 in English ordinal. The Gematria is saying it all. Making of EV not clean as media says, 303 English ordinal, zeros value placeholder. We have 33. So in my opinion, again, if you want an EV, that's fine, but don't signal anybody thinking that you're saving the world, because you're not. You're just playing the game within the matrix like everyone else. So just keep that in mind. Teslas look cool, but that's pretty much it. It's just another car.